Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale to lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how the exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release, moving into a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body, using your left arm to gently guide it in as you continue sitting tall, keeping your shoulders down and back. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your left arm across your body, using your right arm to gently guide it in, reaching energetically through your left fingertips. Release and return to center, transitioning into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your right ear towards your right shoulder. Continue here, or optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Stay connected to your breath as you release, and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder, feeling a gentle stretch in the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Continue here, or optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. Release, returning to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.